guys, welcome to another video. Guys, I'm investing in another juicer, and this is from Australia, Optimum. So here it is, guys. I'm gonna take it out the box and show you what it is. That's the book that we get with it, and this is what it looks like. And I have a 23-year warranty on this juicer. Wow, these are the jugs. This is the motor part. Looks good. This is it, guys. Oh. You can use this to push things down. Now we get two small jug. Very nice. I'm gonna try this juicer out. This is the way it's supposed to turn. What is it, guys? So be on the lookout for the next video. We'll be making juice. That's the switch at the side. This is where you pull and let your juice out. This is where your trash come out, and this one you can load with more than one things in there. So I like it. It's nice. And the brand, this is the brand, guys, Optimum. So it's Optimum 600 extra large, the ultimate cold press, big mouth, slow juicer. So guys, we're gonna try out this new juicer, Optimum. So let's open the top and let's put cantaloupe, apple, lemon. Wow. We're gonna put pear. Let's see how this goes. A whole lot can go in there. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'll try just that. Now we're gonna turn it on. Sounds cool. Sounds really cool. Wow. running cool. Very nice. So we are making cantaloupe pear apple with lime today, and it offers a lot of health benefits. It is the cantaloupe is a good source of vitamin A and C, while the pear are known for the fiber. And this juicer help you to have more fiber in the juice. The apples contribute to fiber also and vitamin C. So this combination supports digestive issues and boosts immune system. So guys, wow. Guys, I'm enjoying using the Optimum 600 extra large cold press big mouth slow juicer. So I'll be switching juicers, guys. When I'm feeling like not using the other one, I'll be switching to this one. It's just a tester, guys. Let's see how it goes. Wow. Nice. So let's go again. So guys, the Optimum 600 extra large juicer is the ultimate cold press juicer designed to deliver maximum nutrition with minimal effort. So this is nice. This is a wide mouth chute and it's quiet. The sound is quiet. The motor, I did not turn on the first part of it because I wanted to hear the motor, how the motor sounds. Very nice. And here we have our mixing bowl. Our juice is coming into the bowl. This juicer handles anything, leafy greens, hard vegetable. Its sleek design fits and assemble easily, and it fits into the kitchen easily on your countertop. So experience the superior quality and confidence of the Optimum 6000 extra large cold press juicer. Look at how it is crushing and squeezing and making the juice. Guys, I was gonna buy a number J2, but when I look, the number J2, the motor is 200, and this motor for the Optimum 6000 extra large is 250. We are gonna let out our second batch of juice. And look at that, guys. Let's see if we can pump out some more. So guys, this week is just a simple decoration. I went around the back and picked some mint, and I'm gonna put a piece in the juicer for the last bit. So guys, this is it. And we're gonna serve our drink. So I did the unboxing, and this is the test out of the juicer. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with your friends. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.